The Aussie share market is having a good day of trade, popping higher at the open as the futures suggested we would. Asian stocks also stabilising too. The benchmark S&P ASX 200 is tracking 0.5% higher, or 32 points up at noon, and it follows the loss that we collected of about 2.1% on Wednesday and Thursday. Looking at the sectors today, most sectors are pushing ahead except financials, with Westpac shares hitting a new 8-month low, $24.72. What's important to note though, that Aussie shares are pushing ahead, defying those negative Wall Street leads that we had from the get-go. Overnight we saw the S&P 500, the Nasdaq and the Dow slip 0.2%, marking the third day of losses on US-China trade concerns. Plus, also weighing is the fact that the US House of Representatives has passed 2 bills supporting Hong Kong protesters, and Beijing doesn't really like that, accusing the United States of interfering. Locally, what are we seeing? Well, Mayne Pharma shares are under pressure, falling to 49 cents. As the company is holding its AGM, the CEO has highlighted revenue has fallen 16% in the first 4 months of the FY20 financial year on the back of increased competition in the generic pharmaceutical drug market. However, in good news for Mayne, they highlighted women's contraceptive market, or the women's contraceptive products are growing, as well as their dermatological products. WiseTech shares are trading higher for the second day as buyers continue to snap up low-hanging fruit. Intellectual property firm IPH, they're trading over 2% higher to $8.02. And earlier today, Bell Potter cut the price target for IPH to $8.35, maintaining their hold stance for IPH. Yesterday at IPH's AGM, they showed that Asian growth is continuing, while ANZ, or Australian and New Zealand, patent filings have dropped. The integration with Zenith IP is also tracking along as the market wanted to hear, so that's good news for them. FMG, Australia's largest iron ore major, is up almost 3% as the iron ore price continues to bounce back. The iron ore price is up 0.4% to $86.67, and BlueScope Steel is tracking almost 3% higher, or 2.8% higher, to about $14.65. And Macquarie says that is about fair value, with a price target of $14 for the firm, while UBS says BlueScope Steel shares will fall to about $12.40 in a year. As yesterday, BlueScope Steel announced the $7 billion steel company has flagged that its earnings, or EBIT, could drop 45% in the first half of the financial year compared to the same time last year's $500 million. Other AGMs to watch today: ResMed and Orocobre. Over to more commodities, which we haven't touched on earlier. The oil price has continued to rise. It's now up almost 3%, 2.7% to $58.53 on the back of OPEC cut hopes. The gold price has lost a bit of momentum. It's at $1,465, and the Aussie dollar trades at about a month's lows, 67.86. US futures are suggesting markets will rise at the open this evening. Have a great day.